going on, guys? Welcome back to Back Road Repairs. Again, I'm Dustin.
I'm Justin.
He's Justin. We have not been here in quite a while, and we sincerely apologize for that, but we have had, we've moved from a 4,000 square foot house to a camper. We've had obscene complications with our properties and a loss of a family member as well. So we've had a lot of stuff to deal with over the past, 6 months at least?
Yeah, however long it was since the last video, and probably a little bit before that.
Yeah, it's just been hell, guys. It really has been. Life has been giving us the old boot, so to speak.
Right in the crotch.
Right in the crotch. But, so, today we're going to work on my wife's truck again because, Dodge problems. Shut up.
You got a little Chrysler.
So, it's got a wheel bearing bad. It's got 2 front CV axles that are slinging grease throughout of it. And it's got an oil pressure sensor that reads 98 PSI of oil pressure all the time. So, we're going to try
Cold or hot. Doesn't matter if the key's on, engine off, or the fucking engine's running.
We're going to try to fix some of it to where my wife's happy today. So, let's get to it.
Which one's going to be the worst one?
Passenger side.
Passenger side? Well, we might as well fight with the hardest one first and then get the easy one for the last. Get off there.
Hey, buddy, that don't go there.
Does it?
Huh?
I mean, it will. I can't promise it won't bend every little piece of it.
Well, it's not a Chevrolet, so it won't break the frame.
Oh no, that'd be iron steel. That won't ever break.
Always talking shit. Good job, buddy, for trying to keep your life.
I'm not going under there, you're going under there.
I ain't going under there. You jacked it up. I'm not that dumb. 22 mil.
Oop. Helps you go the right way.
Lefty, loosey.
Lefty, righty?
Yes.
It's righty tighty until righty becomes loosey.
Those were brand new lug nuts like 6 months ago.
Are these the ones that don't swell? Or
those are the ones that are not supposed to swell, but they just thrust instead. Yeah.
Good. Oh. There we go. That's.
My wife needs to quit doing burnouts.
Your wife's got a lead foot, that's why.
Well, yeah, that's true. Hey, my weld job's still holding though.
Gotta do the secret. So can you get plugged up?
Look at that. That's better than factory.
If you did it better than manufacturer, you'd have less bolts.
It is true.
There we go.
I'm gonna get you guys in here so you can see something. Now all we're doing right now is just taking the caliper off and the rotor, trying to get to the hub assembly. If you guys know these Dodges, the hub assemblies, they
look at all that
have 3 bolts on the back side of them. You take them off and then you beat the hell out of it until it comes out.
And sweet.
Hey, those were new rotors.
They were new rotors, now they're not.
Not anymore. Oh, hey, honey, by the way, you're going to need a new rotor because Justin hit it one time and it broke it.
Nuh-uh. There's somebody else. I seen it. Okay, what was I looking for? I don't remember. Alright, I'll probably get this speed sensor off of there.
Yeah. It's a speed sense. Oh, I'll look for your axle nut socket. Where are those at?
So in the box top drawer, we're going to look for a 36 millimeter socket.
You need to clean your toolbox.
Don't judge me.
I'm judging.
I need to clean both of them, matter of fact. They've been neglected. One job after another. Throw the tools down, get on the next job.
Your life's been pretty hectic around here, hasn't it? Lately.
Oh yeah. Just gonna pry this off the back of the fender liner, the push pin, find the retainer, push up on the red tab, get it undone. Just a snap clip. Sometimes you gotta push, then press the button to relieve tension off the clip. Supposed to call for a 36 millimeter, but that nut looks like a different nut than factory because it's a little shiny brass, and so it's 35, fits on there nicely ish, enough to work.
It's a little sloppy, but it'll do the job.
Disclaimer, you're probably not supposed to use an impact on it, but I did it anyway. I don't give a damn.
Okay. Now it's time for the 3 bolts on the back side.
Yeah, just persuade that back a little bit.
Those, if I'm not mistaken, I think they're 15s. Maybe they're smaller.
They feel like a 15.
Do they?
There we go.
Don't tell me it's damn 17 millimeter.
Nope, 18.
18?
Yep.
Sweet.
There's like a 6 or 12 inch extension in there.
And you tell me to organize my toolbox.
Because yours was just about as bad.
Not even close.
This spring I need to get on both of mine. Need a thing there.
I could turn the wheel if that's going to help you.
That might. Try turning that. I'm gonna have keyboard warrior sitting there yelling at me. That ain't how you do it. That's not the way you're supposed to be doing it. No, that's the way I'm doing it.
Oh, them are tight. A little stuck.
Yep. Let's see about this one.
Can you fit a 1/2 inch drive in there?
Let me see if I can get a deep socket and just go straight force on it. Oh wait, never mind, I got it. 12 point. And chrome. Best of worst worlds.
You're not supposed to be using chrome sockets on an impact.
Let alone 12 point on a 6-point boat.
Yep. We don't give a shite.
That's how you avoid warranty.
Okay, breaker bar.
Give it. There we go. Uh-oh.
Don't do that to those.
I think it's going to become one with the truck, and we're just going to...
Well, if we leave it on there, it'll never rust.
Yeah, it'll just help hold the TV axle up and in place. It won't grind no more.
Exactly.
There it goes.
Mind you, this wheel bearing's been howling for the past 3-4 months, something like that, and I'm just now getting to it.
See which one of these will get it off.
Snap.
Yeah, I was gonna ask him bars.
It wasn't asking bars. So yeah, it could be a definite possibility these were original. Judging by how tight those bolts are.
Ooh, this is a big no-no.
Definitely big no-no.
And then I wonder why I'm hard on equipment.
Mm-hmm. Your tool guy just absolutely loves you.
Hey, you broke that? I say another one, $499.95.
What? It's a socket. So?
Lifetime warranty. There we go, that one's broke free. Where's the top one? It's in here somewhere. In here somewhere. Ouch! My finger! Ooh, that one's gonna be fun. I need some like 1/2-inch sockets to be able to break this free, but I need some like thin-walled kind of style.
Ooh, is that the breaker bar or the bolt?
There we go.
I turned the wheel. I'm all the way. Does that backing plate go back on? I think not.
It's supposed to be there to keep the dust and dirt off the
I
rotor.
don't give a damn. Hey, buddy, you're going the wrong way.
Am I?
Yep. Push. There you go.
Well, I was breaking the dirt free.
This might be fun trying to get this out of here. We're going to turn it all the way to the right, and you're going to get me the biggest sledgehammer imaginable. That's not the correct way to take them out. You don't ever want to hit them with a hammer, but this one's junk, so we don't care.
Well, because we're doing the wheel hub and the CV axle, we can cheat a little bit. If you're going to do the CV axle by itself, you would technically take the tie rod loose by taking the cotter key out. I think this has got a 21 socket on it. Some of the other ones aftermarket might be a different size. You take the upper ball joint loose, just crack it loose, don't take it all the way off the thread, just impact it off as best you can. Tap on the side with a hammer to break it free, or you can use a pry tool. Once you get that separated, take the nut all the way off, pop it out, and let the knuckle rock back. That'll help you give you some leverage to getting this out of the way. Take the lower ball joint loose, and you can either take the knuckle out, or you can just rock the whole thing staying on the lower ball joint. You can rock the whole knuckle out. Gotten away with that on some cars, and just pull the boot out at an angle and around, and you can pull the shaft out. But because we're going to take and do the wheel bearing at the same time, we're just going to cheat and take this off use this to our advantage to slip it around and just pull it out without having to take all this off.
And what else we got coming up in the spring, Justin? Demo Derby season.
Yep. I didn't do much videoing on last year's build, but I might just take and do it on this year's build.
We're gonna be filming more.
Come on now.
Did it come out?
Mostly. I'm like one thread away. Apparently there's more than one thread, but
there she went.
One thread sticking out from the backing plate. How's that? There's one.
Got one more bolt. One more. And it's only been an hour.
Has it?
What?
Has it?
I don't know. It feels like it.
Hey, done! What? It's only been an hour.
I'm the first one on the new road.
Alright, that's out. The universal removal tool.
Wow.
That's coming out a lot easier than I thought it was gonna.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Whoa. There it went. Yay!
I might have to bend that back a little bit.
Hey. Let me see this.
Look at that corrosion up in there.
So this is what happens to these up here in the Rust Belt. All that corrosion, guys. I mean, this isn't nearly as bad as some of them. But that's what sticks them in there. Aluminum on steel. Because the entire knuckle is aluminum on these Dodges. And yeah, it wasn't a good design, but you know, take this. Yes. We don't need that anymore. See? Told you were going under it, not me.
Ah.
Ooh.
I'll see you on the other side. Cotter key comes out. Socket on the tie rod.
Shit.
You don't want the impact, bub. Impact that.
Well, yeah, the tie rod end I can impact, but that one. There she went.
right up and over. We're just gonna set that right there.
Mm-hmm.
Here, let me just give you a little bit of.
Oh, thanks, sir.
Make it look
Appreciate it.
Make it look like you're doing something. Oh, not the good jeans.
Why'd you wear the good jeans to work?
Don't tell my wife.
I'm telling her now.
Ooh,
You're busted.
I'm in trouble.
You sleep on the
I
couch.
bet you take an impact that thing, you might be able to rip it, but you might not be able to do that one.
Yeah.
You might need the 3/8 one.
Do you have a 21 over here?
Yes,
for
I
3/8?
wanted to shave down.
This one?
Yep.
Oh.
See if you can fit that little impact up in there.
Maybe. No.
Denied.
Denied.
So
Okay.
There should be 10mm here and 21 there. And then
We're gonna see.
see if you can manually break it.
See if I can or not. Now hold the knuckle.
Tie rod will.
Yeah.
Wait. Let me get the nut on there before you go twist it.
I already twisted it loose.
Now let's see if it's twisting or if it's actually coming loose.
I think it's coming loose.
Alright.
Oops, well, we don't need those fender flares.
Ah, it's just paint. It's a work truck. You don't need
Let's get a
pure
smaller
paint.
ratchet. These been slinging grease for a while. Yep. Oh, it's getting stiff. Why is it? I like leverage.
Is it going?
Yeah.
Oh, I see threads.
Come off. Ow.
I just hit right on the knuckle. Right on the side.
When I get the metal shaving out of my fingers.
Bingo.
Pop goes the weasel. There. Now, pull the tire on it and back off, and this knuckle will fall. Just enough to get the CV axle out, hopefully. Or not. Uh-oh. Really? We gotta take the whole fucking knuckle off? Well, might as well. We're here. 'Cause that's the same size, I think. No, it's not. That one's bigger.
24?
Huh?
24, 22?
That's a 22 there. So, yeah, probably 15, 16ths. went. Thank God.
Pick up on the little, there we go. Get that off the thread. At least that'll give us the opportunity to clean that corrosion out of there.
Yeah.
Alright. Don't rip that out of there. Last time I had one rip out of there, I was doing a Chrysler 200.
Oh yeah, I remember that fiasco.
Yeah. That boot had ripped.
Yep.
And then I had to fight with ratchet
Trying to get the
straps,
cup out.
all kind of unsafe, jerry-rigged kind of way
Well,
that make you flinch just looking at it in
I'll
a
put
photo.
some pressure on this if you want to go down there and whack it with a hammer and see if we can't get it to come out. These are probably the original ones, so these might be a little rough. So what the problem is right now is you guys can't really see it. You guys are on a tripod. I might be able to take you off here, bear with me. So what he's trying to do, the cup for the CV axle is stuck in the axle housing. And we're going to try to whack it with an air hammer and see if we can't get it to come out. Alright, let's see if we can get this axle out. I got it here.
Oh, big hammer.
Big hammer.
Use my little trusty one.
Ah. Yeah. Oh my lord, look at the rust.
That bad?
Huh?
That bad?
It's pretty bad in here.
Yeah, the spline looks pretty dirty. Rusty. I wouldn't say dirty, but
Throw
yeah,
some
rusty.
Throw some grease on that when we put the new one on.
Some fresh grease and then probably a little bit of gear oil
Inside this thing.
if this cone ever comes out.
I know it's hard for you guys to see, but that thing is, I mean, well, there's a good shot there. Come on, focus. It's just, it's full of rust in there. You guys are just going to have to take our word for it. And this is the reason why we're replacing them. That big old split in that boot. I mean, this thing's been throwing grease for a while. Yachts. I'm going to go get the new. Oh, yep. Grease her up. Ouch.
Not sure if this is the right way to do it, but this is the way I'm going to do it. Get some grease on them threads, let it slide in a little easier and not rust to looking like a junkyard truck.
Wow.
Is it shiny go fast parts or is it just replacement parts?
Huh?
Oh wait, never mind, we're working on suspension. Ain't nothing go fast parts on this truck.
What are you talking crap?
I just got my hopes up.
For
and
what?
then I crushed my own hopes and dreams.
That's pretty shiny.
Yeah, but it's replacement parts. It's not go fast parts.
That's in. Sweet. Alright, let's get these hubs cleaned up. Engage. Oh yeah, that's what it is. Much better.
really 92. Really anymore. That's a good one. Hey, you know what's fun?
What's that?
The guessing game on which nut actually goes to that ball joint.
Yeah, well, we'll figure that out when we get to it.
Like right now?
That one.
That one?
No, that's the tie rod in.
Yeah, that's tie rod.
Uh-oh. Did we lose the nut? That's not good.
That was your department.
Oh, there it is. Hey, look. Found it. There. Now,
Well, that's
we can...
smack that around a little bit with the hammer. The rubber one or the small one. Don't matter. Take and just kind of love tap that down a little bit.
Yep, there you go.
Just like that.
Now, I think it's still going to spin, but maybe not.
If it tightens up, it's success in my book.
Success in my book.
No matter how it rotates. Got it.
Torque to spec.
Click.
Click. Now, where's the cotter key at?
Oh, we're gonna have to discard that because it was pretty.
Did it break?
Yeah. I got more of them. Don't worry. Or we can weld it and it'll be permanent. You want
No.
the universal cotter key?
No, let's not do that.
Yeah, take the air hose.
Yeah, I know that. I was making sure I got the right size socket. I can't see nothing.
Well, you're lined up with the hole at least.
No, I'm not. Hey, I did. Good job, Dustin. There we go.
Uh-oh.
Was it the 21? This one?
Yeah.
extension. That's not a 21, bud.
On the back, that was 18.
You told me it was 21.
I wasn't paying attention. Those are the 2 chrome sockets. I use the short one and the extension. But you can probably use one
okay.
or 2.
Chrome sockets aren't made for your bags. Ah. They work just fine. Till they
Gets
don't.
it in there, doesn't it?
Huh?
Gets it in there, doesn't it?
Yep. Oh, you don't want to do that. Ouch.
You want to do that again? I don't think we felt that.
I'm going to give you something to feel here in a minute. Whoop. Torqued.
Hand tight nut to specification. Yeah.
Click. Now, where did this run? Because there's another. That must be that hole there, right?
Yeah, so on the back side,
there it is.
There's 2 rubber boots that you're going to take and see up in there.
The rotor. Look at that. Okay. So, get this caliper off. Get it slid back into place. Maybe if I don't fight brake pads. There we go. There's a 1 bolt. Two bolts. Okay. Upsy daisy. Plug this connector back in. Maybe. There.
It just goes right up in that hole, right up in that plastic there.
What?
The push pin clip goes right up in that hole of that plastic. The whitish kind of yellow.
Oh, okay.
Just to keep it from rubbing on the frame. There we go.
Cool.
Sweet. Now we just
Cotter pin.
Yep.
And then put the tire back on, and then we go do the other side. So I'm not going to show you guys putting the cotter pin in. I think you're smart enough to handle that, right? Yeah. Oh, look at here. Look at here. Oh, shit. We gonna work hard today.
That's what I should have said when we were pulling this thing in.
Well, stay tuned for part 2 because this is going to be a long video.
Yep.
So
we got this side wrapped up. That supposedly is the harder side, so let's hope for the easy side to be the other side. Now that we know what we actually supposed to do, what it was not gonna. I thought it was gonna be one way, and turns out you're supposed to do it the way you're supposed to do it.
Yay!
Yep.
All right, guys, stay tuned for part 2. We'll be right back.